Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. New gadget alert. Today I'm playing with the Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer and I'll be making an air fryer cheesecake. This air fryer features rapid heat circulation. That means you get food on the table faster. You also fry with 85% less fat than deep frying. It comes with 11 presets for steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, french fries, vegetables, root vegetables, desserts, and bread. It comes with a 1-year warranty and an easy-to-follow manual. You also get this beautiful recipe book that comes with 100 yummy dishes for you to try. Now let's get started on this yummy cheesecake recipe. First, we're going to start by melting 1 stick of butter. Make sure you watch it carefully because you don't want to burn it. Next, I'm measuring out 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. I was too lazy to make my own, so these work great. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of sugar, followed by about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'm going to mix that together and then add in the melted butter. Because of its large capacity, it fits up to an 8-inch springform pan. I'm spraying my pan with some baking spray and I'm adding in the graham cracker crumbs. I'm using the bottom of a glass to press the crumbs into the bottom and up the sides of the pan. I then placed the pan in the freezer while I worked on the filling. To my mixer, I'm adding in 2 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese. So I'm trying something new. Instead of sugar, I'm using sweetened condensed milk. I have a 14-ounce can. Here I'm adding in about half the amount because I wasn't exactly sure how much I would need. So I added half, I gave it a taste. It wasn't quite sweet enough, so I ended up adding the rest of the milk. And then I mixed the 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk and the 2 blocks of cream cheese together until they were nice and smooth. And this is what you want it to look like. Very velvety, very creamy, yummy. So now it's time to add the remaining ingredients. I've got 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then I'm going to add in 2 eggs, 1 at a time. I'm mixing on about medium speed, and you don't want to over mix your cream cheese or your cheesecake filling. So just make sure once you add that last egg, you mix for a little bit and then just turn off your mixer. So here I am just going to use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl and just make sure that I don't have any lumps and bumps. So now I've removed the crust from the freezer and it's time to bake some cheesecake. So I'm using the air fryer's preheat function. So I preheat the air fryer at 320 degrees for 3 minutes. And once it was done, it was time to add the cheesecake. I'm using oven mitts because obviously it's hot. So we're going to slide that in. The air fryer comes with a baking preset, so I'm going to try that 300 degrees for 30 minutes. Halfway through, I checked the cheesecake. It was browning a lot, so I went ahead and reduced the temperature to 250. So after the 30 minutes was up, I let the cheesecake sit in the air fryer for an additional 10 minutes, and then I placed it in the fridge. So the next morning, it was all set and ready to go. You don't have to let it sit overnight, but at least 4 hours. So this is the cheesecake. I'm removing it from the bottom of the springform pan and transferring it to a cake plate, and it is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that crust. It's like perfection. So to keep it simple, I'm just adding some canned cherry pie filling. And this is the finished cheesecake. You cannot tell me that this does not look delicious. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's slice this baby up. Oh my goodness. Here it is. Look at this. Are you guys looking at this? Look, that is like the perfect slice. Oh my gosh, watch this fork go in. You guys, this cheesecake was so creamy. Oh my goodness, this cheesecake was bomb. Now, don't tell anybody, but I ate this whole cheesecake by myself. That's how good it was. I did not share with anybody. I ate it all and I have zero regrets. And looking at this, I wish I had some more, but I ate it all. Every calorie was worth it. It was so good. You have to try this easy cheesecake. If you like this recipe video, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel and I do appreciate it. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload. As always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.